Hello, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 600. We are currently flying at the level of 30,000 feet above sea level. The water looks good, which means we are arriving into no time. Feel free to explore the plane. What are these people talking about? No. I'm gonna go back to my seat. Okay, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. Listen to the radio. Breaking news. There has been an announcement that we are seeing dead bodies in homes. So everybody lock your doors. Okay? Alright. The hell? How did I hear this? Oh, that's sad. Ah! Jeez! Oh my god! Ow! Ow! I hate people. I'm gonna sneak in here. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering sandwiches, delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Thanks. Q. B. I think she's. I'm allergic to this. Gotta look for my luggage. Where's my luggage? My luggage. I'm sick. I don't feel good. Pepper nine. Thanks. Give me this. Gotta die. Good afternoon to all passengers. Inform we reach at a stable altitude. It will be good to sit back and take a nap and enjoy. It was a nice nap. Where is? Just gotta look. I'm gonna look outside. I don't know. I just wanna look outside. Outside looks beautiful. Oh my god! I should sit down. Something's going on with the plane. Oh my god. I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Snake! Oh, those snakes! Oh my god, he's getting butchered! Freaking run! You're getting beat up by snakes! What are you doing? You're gonna die! Oh my god, he just died! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh, they're right there! I almost died. I almost died because of y'all. Yo. Oh my god. I locked the door. I'm gonna lock the doors. Lock the doors. You, thank you for reminding us. We could have died, alright? Could have died. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck back in is happening. We have to get out of here, okay? I'm gonna be the commander. It doesn't matter who goes up the commander. I was it's scared. That was the worst time I had to sit on the toilet. Power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Bad news? Oh, the good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a suffocation amount of oxygen. Masks will drop from masses. Got a mask, bro. Got a mask. Homie, you died, bro. Yo, he suffocated. Oh my god. This mask will keep you safe until it stabilizes the oxygen levels. Damn right, you better hurry up before we die. Oh my god. Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut it. Bro! No. Blue. No. He didn't make it. This is all his fault. I was gonna grab it, but he messed us up. He's the reason. You're the reason. You're the reason why she died. And she could have survived. I found them. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get out the chamber room. Gotta run like Usain Bolt. It is locked. It is locked. Something is happening. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able. I was the one to find it first. Like I could see it. I was the first one to find it, you idiot. We gotta come in. We gotta come in. It's the creature. Y'all pushing me down because I'm black. Stop kicking me. Ow. That is not possible. You idiot. I'm gonna take out my phone. Bro, he destroyed my phone. It's now. It's time to. Yo, guys, run. Guys, gotta run, bro. Gotta run. We gotta run. I ran so fast that Usain Bolt couldn't even catch me. The planet's falling. We need to find the auto play button. Click everything and find the button before we die. Okay. What button is it? What button? What button? What button is it? We're gonna die. It's so hard. How am I gonna press the buttons? We did it! We saved the plane. And for you, Captain, this is good. It has been very crazy to fly. I just want to go home already. Yes, bring me back. Bring me home. Bring me back to America, please. Please, bro. I went to Jamaica, back to America, guys. Please bring me here, please. Now we need to find the emergency phone so we could call for help. Okay, I'm going home. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get everything you home in time. Is everything okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we traced their location and we are tracking the control. There is no one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone who could sit on the co-pilot seat. OMG! Oh my god. Okay, everything I got is this. I'm taking... Wait, I noticed that she had a gun. Oh. It is back. What? You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance. Death contains flesh. Can this guy just move his white ugly self? Crash the plane. This has to be done. Foolish humans. All this time you're trusted Deacon Flesh. And always on my side. Now take us home, Deacon Flesh. Yes, yes, master.